Hi, my name is Ralph Tellep and I'm with Sussex Realty. And the information that I'm going to share with you on this video comes from years of experience of selling homes in the Maple Ridge Pitt Meadows area. And this isn't a video about fixing a faucet or improving the outside of the home to make it more saleable to a purchaser. This is about putting your home on the market and selling it quicker and for more money. I'm going to share with you 7 secrets that have not been shared with the homeowner before. And it's going to show you how to realize thousands and thousands of extra dollars on the sale of your home.